What's the meaning of cold turkey? Cold turkey. Cold turkey.
Cold turkey. Cold turkey. Cold turkey is an idiom that refers to abruptly quitting a habit or addiction without any gradual, tapering approach. This sudden cessation can lead to withdrawal symptoms that can be uncomfortable and challenging to overcome. The term cold turkey is often associated with substance abuse, but it can be used in other contexts as well. Quitting cold turkey can result in immediate and sometimes intense physical and psychological reactions, such as nausea, anxiety, and irritability. However, it is often seen as a more effective way to break a habit quickly compared to a gradual approach.